Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I'm AidanMCJ, and just before the video starts, now the lockdown rules in the UK are no unnecessary travel. So obviously you can only go to the shops in your car or to and from work. So before you all get down my throat about washing my car at a car wash, I was going to the shop to do my essential shopping for frozen food and drinks and stuff, and then decided to wash the car while I was there. The car was in an absolute horrible state, so it needed to be done really, and obviously I didn't talk to anyone else while I was there or anything as well. So please, if you do like the video, then please do drop a like, and if you are new, then please can you consider subscribing as well. So let's get into the video. So as you can see behind us guys, the car is extremely dirty. Obviously other people have the same idea of coming down here to clean the cars as well, as it's empty. So I've got my shopping and now we're going to clean the car, so hopefully it will come up reasonably well, and then I'm going to use a range of products on it as well. So yeah, let's get to it. So as you can see behind the car, it's extremely foamy now. I'm going to work into it with a wash mitt now, and then we'll rinse it off and put some quick detailer and stuff on it as well for paint protection. We're going to be using some kind of wax. I'm not sure what wax we're going to be using yet. I've got loads of products, so we'll just see what fits best. So for the wheels, I was going to use this kind of gel stuff, but you've got to have a bucket for it, so we're going to be using the Hella wheel detailer. I'll show you the packet in a minute. So basically used all that now. I've got to agitate it with the tyre brush, and then we shall wash it all off, and then we'll put the wax or quick detailer on afterwards. So as we can see from the wheels, oh hold on, you can't really see it that well because it's pretty dark in here, but I've done my magic with the tiny amount of wheel detailer that we actually still have. I'm going to have to buy some more. Now we're going to jet wash it off and dry it off, and then put some quick detailer on it. Now I think I'm going to cut it at that. Car is now clean. She looks so good when she's clean. Like, look at her. Oh, look at how good she looks when she's clean. This is when I fall back in love with her, which is really annoying. It's probably because I haven't been able to drive her. So the wheels look loads better. I can't really show you, it's too fucking bad at lighting. So I'm going to dry it off, and then I'm going to bring it out here just to put the quick detail on so that you can actually see it. So yeah, and then I'll probably do the other bits tomorrow back at home. I'm going to try and degrease underneath the bonnet as well. Not sure how that's going to go down well. We'll see how it goes down. So yeah, I'll dry it off and then I'll pull it out. So I've dried off the car and you can see that it's left a little bit of the tar on the car. So what I'm going to do is not quick detail it now. I'm going to quick detail it tomorrow when I've got more time, and then obviously I'm going to do the interior. So what I'll probably do is glue and tar remover the side of it first, and then then I'll wipe over it with the quick detailer. Yeah, it's got some essential Dr. Pepper and some banana milkshake and some crisps as well, and then the freezer food is in the back. Also, if you're thinking that my car's a mess, it's not. It's these are new clothes that I've just bought as well. So yeah, it's a good day. Right, now that the car is back home, we're gonna give it a quick detail with this quick detailer. I can't remember what the product is, so I'm not going to be able to tell you, but obviously she's shiny enough. But this will put the icing on the cake, and basically that'll be the end of the video. But I shall show you what she looks like after she's been done in a couple of minutes, hopefully. Shouldn't take me too long, should it? I don't know. So as you can see behind me, the car is nicely all quick detailed up now. So she's going to be quite shiny, although she's not being driven much, so I'll probably just keep on top of it like that, to be honest. And also just a little thing at the end of the video, hopefully all you guys are staying safe and staying at home as well. Obviously this is out on my drive. So that's basically it, guys. So hopefully you liked the video. If you did, then please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Pull up in the gold, I'm bleeding. But them other man need feeding. I don't wanna go Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from Beeling. Leading the pack in black and I'm on with a bat. Snapping with a phone and that.